hope you like it, you know. I know you like complaining. Are you that will fix your night? Nice. Look at the lady. Looking all young and thing. Sass. You find out where you're going yet?
Me go choose. Me have to go sort out some stuff.
More help you can get some actually buy your slippers or flat slippers. Look good and thing, but you will see it later.
Alright. So it's a surprise.
It's actually white though, so you have to pick something to match with it, you understand?
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Never want to buy in a black because I know you don't really like the dark colors and everything.
No problem.
Alright. So you want for the nothing for you for the day? You want anything?
No man, later we talk about that.
No, sir.
You know me. You know me love you already.
I love you more.
Alright, guess what? I'm going to the bathroom and come back.
No problem. I'll be out here. Hot man.
Put them down.
Yeah. Thank you. Ooh. Why remote? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hi, how are you?
I am okay. How are you? Who is
I'm
this?
fine, thank you. This is your mom, Juliet.
My who? Repeat that for me, please.
Pardon me?
Repeat that.
This is your mom, Juliet.
You're Juliet. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And?
I'm in Jamaica, and I would love to meet you.
I'm not really sure about that, to be honest, Miss Juliet. Honestly.
I would like to get to know you. I'd like to have a talk with you and get to meet you.
But why no? I don't, if I do come, I wouldn't know what to say to you, honestly, because I'll be having a bunch of questions that I don't even think, even if you answer them, I would feel relief.
It's okay. There are many sides to stories, and questions are made to ask, and I am willing to hear all your questions and to answer them to the best of my ability.
How long will you be in Jamaica?
How long?
Yes.
Probably for the next month or two.
What time tomorrow? And where?
You would like us to meet tomorrow?
Sure. What time and where? That's what I'm asking.
Okay. I would like to meet you at the park tomorrow at 12 noon.
I'll make it. I'll be there.
Hello?
I'll be there. I said I'll be there.
Oh, you'll be there?
Yeah.
Okay, that's awesome. We have a lot of catching up to do and a lot to talk about. And I hope that I can answer your questions, as I said, to the best of my ability.
Okay. I'll be looking forward, I guess.
Okay, nice. Appreciate it.
Have a nice day.
Same to you.
Hey, look, sir. Want to you? Hey, look, sir.
I get a call just now and I'm not happy about it.
From who?
Juliet.
Eh?
Juliet.
Juliet. Who named Juliet?
The person that gave birth to me.
Oh.
She said she wanna see me, like, why all of a sudden you wanna meet me?
So, hold on there. Right out of the blues, she just call you. She just remember you.
Exactly.
No,
I don't understand. She
neither do
wanna
I.
meet me. Like she not even did their own though. I don't know how she looking at.
Okay, me understand.
I know you understand, but
But
it's kind of heartbreaking
me know
because
say
now me a big woman. Like, why you want to see me? Why you want to have a relationship with me? She done dead to me.
no, don't say that.
It's the truth.
No, listen. Even though she gone for a very long time, you grow up and know her, she don't even know you either. She said she want to meet you. I don't have a problem with that. You understand?
But mommy, what kind of bond we gonna farm now? Me as a big woman, what kind of bond we gonna farm? It's not like she can't drive me to school anymore, and she can take me out on Sundays to get ice cream, or she can comb my hair and tuck me in bed. What kind of relationship that we're gonna farm at this age?
You get a whole heap of that from me, so don't worry yourself. At the end of the day, from ever since you always tell me say you want to meet your right biological mother, and she is your biological mother.
Yeah, but she never make no effort.
Me know, I may understand, but me not go use it against her. At least you still can get to see her if ever one time in your life and you know say I did she are your biological mother from the beginning. If it wasn't she, have you, me wouldn't get to know you and have you and grow you as my own child.
I'm very much uncomfortable, but not only that, like if I gonna meet her, we now go build no genuine connection because my angry with her and I don't want to treat her, but you understand? I don't want to shame her.
Alright, listen to me now. If you still feel uncomfortable to go meet her, me can follow you. The two of we can go meet her. You understand?
Sure.
Even though before your father died, him tell me a lot about her. Whole heap of stuff.
Really?
Yes, what she do. But don't worry yourself about it. You know, when you use it against her, you understand? You can forgive her. You understand? Your father dead and gone, but him proud of you right now in a grave. You understand? Yes. So don't worry about it. I am right here beside you. You know say me love you, not sure.
Love you too.
You know say me love you already. You know, you're my daughter. You're my daughter. Me love you forever and for life.
Love you too,
You
mommy.
hear me?
Yeah.
Don't worry yourself, man. Anywhere you go, you want me to follow you if you feel comfortable? I am right there behind you.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Juliet. Nice to meet you.
Same. I'm not sure if you know, but this is my mom. Actually, my stepmom.
Hi, I'm Juliet. Nice to meet you. Just sit.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for taking care of my daughter. Really do appreciate it. But I would like to have some alone time with her to talk with her and get to know her a little more.
Mommy, it's okay. You can just give us a minute.
Lex, I just want to say thank you for meeting with me here. And I hope that in the future, you and I can just meet together so that we can form a bond and develop a good relationship and I can get to know you better. Um, you don't have to always bring your stepmother with you. I mean, I appreciate that she did a lot for you and she took care of you and so on, but I'm here now. I want to be involved. I want to be in your life. Um, I hope you'll give me an opportunity or a chance to be in your life so that we can forge a friendship, if any, and a mother and daughter relationship in the future.
So what, you expect me to just call you mommy?
No,
And you don't tell me not to bring her because at the end of the day, she has been there. She literally grew me. After my dad, it was her. I didn't have friends until I met her. She's my friend. She's my mom. She's everything to me. And you just expect you to just come into my life and I call you mommy just like that. I'm 26. I'm 26. Me almost 30, me a big woman. What kind of band we can farm right now? What kind of band? Tell me. You tell me. What you expect me to feel?
I understand what you're saying, but as I said, we can forge a friendship first and hopefully develop something more closer, more meaningful. If not, I I will be okay with just having you as a friend, you know, or be a part of your life. I want to see how I can contribute to your life further on or for the future. Like, for example, perhaps sponsor you for you to come and live in the US and get a better opportunity or more opportunities than what you have right now.
Listen. But you're really saying nothing. I don't want all of these promises. What I want to know, well, okay, you said you had it rough back then when you were younger and you had me. That's fine. That's understandable. But a lot of mothers out there went through the rough patch with their toddlers, their babies. And sometimes it's more than one kids. So what I'm asking you, why did you leave me alone? And after all these years, you plan to come back? No. What happened?
To be honest with you, Lexi, I was not mentally um ready to handle having a kid or a child, and I don't think I was financially stable to take care of you. And I did what I believe was in your best interest. And I'm sorry if you feel resentful toward me or you resent me because I did what I thought was in your best interest. But I did not mean to hurt you in any shape or form. I did not mean to abandon you as what you believe that I abandoned you. And there are many sides to a story.
You didn't even show up to my dad's funeral. Nothing at all. I didn't even know what you look like until today. That's a shame.
I understand. And as I said, there are many sides to a story. Um, I will explain to you in depth or in length at a later date. But for now, since we're just meeting, I don't want to overload or overflood you with information that you probably are not aware of. Um, I have nothing bad to say about your dad. And at the time when your father died, I could not have made it because I was going through some financial issues and emotional issues. And first and foremost, I could not fly to come to your father's funeral. And I'm asking you please to forgive me for all that I have done that caused you pain. I am
Don't
so
do that.
sorry.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
I
It's
did
not
not.
gonna make me feel bad.
I am
Don't do
not
that.
trying to make you feel
Don't do
bad.
that.
I'm just telling you that you don't understand everything, and it will take time for you to understand what I've been through. And I have tried reaching out to you, and I know nobody told you that I tried. I've tried to forge a relationship with you before now, but nobody told you that. And I'm not here to badmouth anybody. I'm not here to speak negative about anybody. But I want you to know that I always thought about you. I always prayed for you. And I always loved you. I never stopped loving you. But it will take time for us to discuss a lifetime of history and for me to explain myself for you to fully understand. I am so sorry for all the pain that I may have caused you. But I'm here now, so please forgive me. I'm asking you, please forgive me. Help me to forge a relationship with you.
Miss Juliet, I need time because all of this just happened just so. It's a lot to take in and it's a lot to process all at once right now. I need some time. Just give me a little time, please.
Yes.
Let me get to know you slowly, but definitely surely. You understand?
Yes.
Girl, I met my mother recently.
So, I ask you a question. You don't live with the mother?
No. No, yeah. Oh, I don't want to confuse you. Candy is my stepmom. I met my biological mom recently.
So, how me never know about that? And based on how the both on the roll like real mother, real
I
daughter.
mean, it never come up for talk about it because, alright, to me, my mom died too. To me, she was dead. You understand? And Candy has been there for years, so to me, she my mom. I don't need for, or me never think, I need to explain to anybody. I'm a stepmom. She's like my best friend.
Oh, me, yes, still. So, you like her?
No, well, I'm not gonna say no either, but there is no connection whatsoever. I don't know if it's because she hasn't been in my life. I don't know if me can just meet her now and create that big bond. That big woman,
Look here.
a
I
big
think
woman.
you need to move a little slow, isn't because after all, I am mother. So, at least give her a chance. I understand the candidate a fear for you, look up with me, but at least give a mother a chance.
And someone not give her a chance. Yeah, give her a chance. Just that she just rush in. You understand? It just happened so sudden.
Yeah, what you
Just
say?
call, oh, I want to meet you, and there's a lot that she's been telling me. And you know the silly story everybody come up with. Oh, I was young, I wasn't ready for a child, so I had to give you up. And it's the same story that I got from her. To me, that's no excuse because there's a lot of mother out there that tried with their kids, even if they were in a rough situation. So I don't know if more by that, but it was her life, it was her struggles. I understand.
Alright.
So,
Mother's Day right around the corner, right?
so we are trying to say,
You did have plans for Mother's
yeah,
Day?
may I bring out candy? Candy. My mom. My
Like,
mom.
alright, I think the best thing for you do, you finally meet your mother, right? At least give her a chance. If you wanna go out, try and build a great bond together or something. Just at least give her a chance. Please, your mother.
You know, but the other feelings that you bring up. Come on, Brittany,
Just at
come on.
least bring her out. Like here, at least she show up, right? For some mother, let's over here, that's more hear back from you.
But wouldn't it
She
be
show up.
awkward though? She candy me.
Candy's not a real mom, if you understand.
Candy, I'm a mom. Candy, I'm a mom.
She's
I don't
your
want to
mother, but
believe
she's not
that.
your bio. Look here, look here. Let's what's what yeah, man. Me nah
Alright,
remember that talk.
alright, fine.
It up to
Fine,
you.
fine, fine, fine. It's fine.
It up to you. Do
Let
you
bring
want
her
to?
out. Let her bring her. I'm
You gonna
going
do
to
it.
invite her. I'm going to invite her. It's
Alright.
just that I don't want the day to go south, you understand? Don't want to take a big turn. She seems nice still, no, I'm not telling her. She seems sweet.
But at least bring her out and because you're there on candy like every day.
Oh, true.
So just find a space in your heart to forgive her and at least explain to you and tell her say that and that. So you must can do something and see how it work out.
I
Trust me.
will. I will. Hey, I'm
Okay.
telling you, she pretty nice, swear to God. I
Good
never
me?
expect that, man. Never expect it, I swear. She's nice.
So you get to look so far, right?
No, man. I think I look like my father more, but she's decent and pretty.
I'm so happy you came without Candy because I really, really wanted to have a special bonding moment with you. I'm grateful that she raised you and she did everything she could for you when I wasn't here.
I don't leave house without her. She's literally my best friend. We go everywhere together, shopping, grocery shopping. I sometimes go dinner with her, even to the movies. When I take my friends, I take her. She's literally my best friend. I know I don't even know how she feels. She probably sitting at home right now feeling sad. And it kinda alright me like right now it's alright.
I understand, but I am here, and as I said, I'm glad that you gave me the opportunity to be here by this peaceful, natural aesthetic of
It is
nature.
peaceful.
Yeah.
I know my stepmama love the river. It's actually her favorite thing. Whenever
Okay.
we come out here and we'll sit for 3 hours, 4 hours, and we'll just talk about her life, the things that she went through back then, what she wants from me for the future. And it's always peaceful. She make me love the river, and honestly. Right now, I don't even like beaches because of her. I love the river.
Okay. I understand, Lexi. But as I said, I am asking you to give me the opportunity to get to know you and for you to get to know me. I
Okay.
I have great desires and plans for you, and I wish you a great future. And if I can assist in any shape or form to help you accomplish goals that you have in life, I would love to. Especially if you could consider migrating at some point.
I'm not too happy. No, alright. I don't want to say it like that, but I can't just leave Candy because Candy don't have any child. It's just me. She know for years. It's just me and her. Like to just get up and migrate without her. I don't feel good because at the end of the day, if me and go foreign, she have to come too.
My daughter, you're of age. You're 26 years old. At some point, you have to get married and have a husband and have a house of your own.
I understand that, but
Are you going to take her in your family like with your husband? You have to think about yourself. You're 26 years old, you're not a child. You have to think about yourself separate and apart from Candy. You cannot surround your life goals or function around Candy's desire and Candy's wants and needs. You're an adult. If she loves you, she will let you go. You know what? I really don't want to spend this entire evening with you talking about Candy, 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 Candy. Let's talk about us. What are your desires? What talk about you. What's your desire? What's your aspirations? What do you hope to accomplish in the next 5 years? Do you have any plans?
well, I want to open my own restaurant.
Nice.
A lot of different recipes, and I wrote them down. Yeah, but I don't want to open a restaurant in Jamaica. I want to do it overseas. Big and established.
Yeah, sounds good. Mother's Day is coming up. Do you have any plans for Mother's Day?
Actually, I do. So I'm taking Candy to her favorite restaurant. But I mean, you can come to. You're invited. You're invited.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
But I wish it would be just you and I, but it's okay.
No, but the Mother's Day, like,
All right.
we can't do that. We can't, bro. I mean, we'll have a good time. All three of us just don't feel bad.
Okay. I'll try. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
You're welcome.
I met up with Lexi. I met up with Lexi at the park the other day, and I had a brief discussion with her. To be honest, I was so happy to see her. She's such a lovely young lady. She's so beautiful. Oh my God. I was in awe when I saw her. And I was happy that I get to sit and talk with her for a while. Except I didn't like the idea that she brought her stepmother. It made me feel uneasy. I felt uncomfortable, to be honest. We went to the river, and all she could talk about is her stepmother, her stepmother, her stepmother. I was like, when is she going to stop talking about her stepmother? I mean, I understand that her stepmother grew her or raised her, so that's the only mother she knew. But her stepmother is not her biological mother. So I don't see why she just kept talking about her stepmother all this time.
Listen to me now. You have to give her time, as much time as she need, because remember now, she don't know you. The only person she knew is her stepmother. Think about it. Think about it. The only person Lexi know is her stepmother. Me tell you the truth, my sister. Me know say you feel away, but don't worry about it. Pray about it. You have to pray about it. Remember, said that little girl, the only person she knew or know or what you want to call it, let me talk Jamaican, is our stepmother.
I know, but I am her biological mother. And I'm here. It's not like I'm no longer here. I'm here. And I feel like the stepmother will interfere with me building a relationship with her. And my intention is to build a relationship with her and eventually sponsor her to come and live in the US to have a better opportunity.
To be honest with you, I'm gonna be honest with you. As I know, so this a sister, yeah, when she tell her the truth, don't.
Mm-hmm.
As naked as it might sound, or the naked truth, may I tell you. Look here, the stepmother is a very nice person, you know. Me nah lie. Sis, to tell her the truth, our stepmother is a very, very nice person. So you cannot try to fight with she and her stepmother, you will lose.
Sis, it's not like I want to take away the girl from Candy, you know. All I want is an opportunity to have a relationship with my daughter. I'm not trying to come between my daughter's relationship and Candy's relationship. I just want to be given a fair opportunity or chance to build a relationship with my daughter. And I feel as though it is going to be difficult, if not impossible, because all my daughter talk about is Candy, 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 Candy. And I feel as though she's a bit clingy to Candy. And I'm trying to figure out how can I get closer to my daughter.
How,
You have a
how old is Lexi now?
Lexi is 26, but she's still my baby. It doesn't matter how old she is. She's my daughter.
So how many years missing?
I know.
How many years? Talk truth. How many years did you
A
miss
lot
out
of
of her life?
years. A lot of years.
26 years.
Yeah.
It's 26 years. Look here, girl. Say it as it is. 26 long years. She's no baby anymore. So look here, you have to just take your time. And the only thing I can advise you to do is friend Candy.
Why is Lexi taking so long? Is she always this late?
She told me that she was going to pick up something. She's on her way coming. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yeah, she's coming. Let us give her a few more minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll wait.
hmm So, what kind of plan you have for my daughter?
You mean my daughter?
I'm sorry about that, but I know it's your biological daughter, but I am her mother too.
Okay.
I raised her, and I'm not going to disown her.
I didn't ask you to disown her. I'm just saying I have lots of plans for my daughter.
So, can you explain some of that plan?
I don't wish to disclose that with you. I rather talk with Lexi. I'm sorry if I
Okay.
sound a bit.
No, that's okay. I understand.
I can tell you one plan that I have for my daughter. And the plan is to have her come to the state and explore her options. Because, Jamaica is a third world country. Jamaica is indeed my birthland. And I'm not trying to put down my country or look down on my country. But the fact of the matter is, America is a first world country. Jamaica is a third world country. And in America, I think Lexi would have various options as it relates to her career and even educationally too. She could pursue whatever career she chooses, whether she wants to be a lawyer or a doctor. She can pursue that.
Okay, I understand. But that is up to Lexi. She have choices that she can choose whether she want to go or stay. You understand? I have
Mhm.
no problem with that. I know Lexi love Jamaica and I gave her a wonderful life.
Remember, we're talking about a 26 years old person right now. We're talking about our daughter. Let's say our daughter. We're talking about Lexi's 26 years old. She can make decisions for herself.
I know that's
Yeah,
the reason why I said it up to her.
I agree.
She can choose for herself. You understand?
Yes, I agree
Okay.
with you on that.
Yes. And I love her so much.
I love her as well. So we both love her. We have that in common.
Okay.
Yes. So let's wait and see where she's at.
she's coming.
Good evening. Sorry, mommy.
Good evening.
Oh, sorry, not. Sorry.
Thank
Anyway,
you. Thank
from
you, my
I
darling.
know you've been there for me my whole entire life.
Yes.
I'm just appreciate you. I swear to God, you're my best friend, and I love you.
Yes, I love you too.
I love you so
Love you
much.
too, honey. Love you too.
You guys are enjoying your dinner?
Yes.
What did you guys
No,
eat?
we have drink here, but we don't start drinking yet. We was waiting on you.
Just enjoy yourself. I'm done. You sure? So you know, hug me. Hug me, man. Hug me. You know, I had a long day. It was a last minute thing.
I'm going to the restroom.
Restroom, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Can I
we
bring
can
this with
catch
me
up.
or just leave it here?
Bring me the far.
Okay.
Oh,
All
tears.
right.
We can do some catching up. Fix your face, man. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I didn't get you anything. Actually, it was a last minute thing and I bought it day before yesterday. But I was planning for it all year long to even brought her here. You understand? So I feel away, so I never give you anything, but it wasn't intentional. So I don't want you to take it to heart. No, but I take it to heart, man, Miss Juliet. Please.
Okay, no problem. You don't have to call me Miss Juliet. You can call me Juliet,
I mean,
or even
oh,
mom if you wish to.
we'll get around to that, slowly but surely.
That's fine.
Okay?
It's okay though.
You sure?
I'm just glad to see you this Mother's Day and to celebrate Mother's Day
You're welcome.
with my one and only daughter.
Yeah.
I so appreciate you and love you. Sis Wagwan. Why?
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, sis. How are you?
Why? You couldn't come earlier? Come help me wash Mama grave.
To be honest, I really wanted to come, but guess what happened? I went out on a Mother's Day date. I thought it was a date between me and my daughter on Mother's Day. However, guess who showed up? Candy, Lexi's stepmother. And the bad part about it is that she gave Candy a Mother's Day gift and she didn't give me anything.
So what you expect? Me keep on I tell you. You say stepmother, but is Lexi next mother? You can't even say our best mother. Cause step or something we walk on and your step business, me not like them step something there. But anyway, you vex because she give Candy Mother's Day's gift and she not give you any. You vex that? Tell me the truth.
Me not really vexed. It's just that me never expect that Candy would be at our Mother's Day get together and
You feel away.
yeah, and worst of all, if she couldn't buy a
Feel
gift for
away.
God,
You feel away, don't?
yeah, I feel away to be
You
honest.
feel away, right?
Yeah,
Cause a blood run through your vein.
yeah.
But anyway, truth I truth, As you know, say for your sister Gigi where you have, right?
Mm-hmm.
Equal rights and justice me deal with. I am not a judge, but I love to try a case.
Mm-hmm.
And I love to split justice. I gotta remind you, you leave that little girlfriend, she a baby. So the only mother she know is Candy. You understand? So you can't be too hard. You have to take your little time. And as me tell you already, say, the best thing you can ever do in your life is a friend Candy. Once you have your friend Candy and you build a good relationship with Candy, it might work. It might, might work.
Me understand what you're saying, sis. I do understand what you're saying, and to be honest with you, I agree in part or with some parts of what you said. However, my concern is that as long as Candy is in the picture, I won't have or get a chance or an opportunity to have a good relationship with Lexi. And that concerns me a lot because to be honest, I am her biological mother. I think I should be given a fair chance to be involved in her life. I'm here now. The past is the past. What are we going to do? We're going to relive the past and talk about, oh, you weren't here for her when she was a baby. I cannot change the past. The past is the past. We are human beings. We all make mistakes in life. We all have a history. When am I going to get over that hurdle of the past been thrown in my face, so therefore I don't have a right to have a bond with my daughter or have a relationship. I think that's a bit unfair and inconsiderate because we're all human beings. We all go through stuff in life, that cause us to do things that we didn't want to do.
If you don't have a past, you won't have a future. You hear that?
Yeah.
And I am telling you, Candy will always be in the picture. And anytime you realize that Candy will always be in the picture, you have to accept the fact and the truth. All right. Me not bash you, my sister, because you know me love you, right? You leave and you gone and you blame it on your young self. Say you did young and vibrant and your head did giddy. I don't know if you did a drink or what, but you take for yourself so you're gone for a better life. You understand? That is what most people do. And then you're not thinking because you know enough time to cover for your girl. You know what me did have to do? When mama die a pine and I worry about you. Maybe at the same thing you did do I worry about Lexi. But we never know because we never did hear from you. So oh you never did a call for talk to your little girl. Oh you never did a call your baby daddy. I went the name again.
Marcus, I don't listen. I called, and it seems as if the numbers that I called were no longer working. I called and I tried to get in touch, and unfortunately, I didn't get in touch with Candy or anybody associated with Lexi.
But you come to Jamaica, right? And today a Mother's Day, you couldn't walk around flowers. So my okay when me have to put on my mother grave in. See it here. And you feel weird because Lexi don't give you nothing for your Mother's Day and then give it to Candy. Me not have no other mother for give nothing to you. And the only mother me know is she and she was the best mother. You understand? My mother think nothing negative now, sister. Because negativity can lead up to the road of destruction. Yeah?
Yeah.
Take your little time.
I'm trying, to be honest, I'm trying to take my little time. But the relationship that I observe with Candy and Lexi makes me believe as though I'm hopeless. Like, it doesn't matter what I do or say, I feel as though I am the outcast. And I'm trying to stay optimistic. However, it's difficult. Nonetheless, I won't give up.
So how the money I go?
Just cool, no man. Here we are going. I'm gonna take my daughter out of the house, as we talked about over the phone, and then you go inside the house and mash the works.
Hear all of that already. Still I ask how the money I go.
Same like we discussed over the phone, but I'll give you half now and give you the rest after the works is finished.
Listen to me. You don't know me, I don't know you. So after this job you done, never meet. Hear that?
Same so.
Good.
See half of the money here.
So this look like it's short.
Short man, I new money them man. I saw them look. A big money man.
Yeah, man, I trust say you have the right amount, yes sir. Don't play with me in a lady.
I wouldn't do that. Why would I want to do that?
Alright.
Business are business,
Straight.
Straight.
Alright. So do what you have to do.
Right.
Don't contact me again.
Hi.
Hi, Candy.
Hold it. Who are you?
Who are you, officer?
This is a crime scene, and as I can see the line right here.
What do you mean a crime scene? This is my mommy's house.
Who is
What do you mean a crime
Who is your
scene?
mother? Who is your mother?
Candy, my mom.
Candy. What is your name?
We don't, you not explain it to me, right?
No.
What do you mean a crime
Young lady,
scene?
young lady.
Young
Young lady. You're talking to the police. What
understand
is your name?
My name is Lexi, officer, but what do you mean a crime scene? Like, just leave my mother.
Just a moment. And you are?
I'm her mother.
Your mother?
I'm her biological mother.
What is your name?
Juliet Robinson. What's going on?
Robinson. Oh, hold a second, Miss Robinson.
Officer, you not
Mother?
explain. You just ask for name. You can get name
Yes,
afterwards.
calm down.
What happened to my mom? I forgot on a date.
We're having a situation, and we're going to have to go down to the hospital.
But you say she dead, so you forgot hospital.
Well, I can't pronounce her dead.
You say it's a crime scene, you know, make no sense, you know.
No, you have to understand, I can't pronounce her dead, so we have to go down to the hospital, alright? And then we'll go down to the station afterwards.
Where's her body?
It's in the house.
It's in the house and you say I got hospital. What's wrong with that man?
But you have to pronounce her dead, young lady.
Me have to see her. Mommy, leave me alone.
No, young lady, you're tampering with the crime scene, man. What is wrong with these people, man?
Me have to see her.
No, hear what? We're going to go down to the hospital, right? And then after that, we can go down to the station. You guys can come and talk to me then, okay?
Hi.
Mama, watch your walk up now.
Are you named Blue Steel?
Mama, watch your close up to me now, cause things will get dangerous when you say, what you want? Eh? What you want Blue Steel for?
We just want to know if you named Blue Steel.
Let me tell you something, man. You enter upon people turf, you have to identify yourself, cause what if Blue Steel run this up? I do some business, eh? What you want him for?
We want to do some business with him.
What kind of business?
Some business.
Mama, you waste my time and talk up and stop going like say, what kind of business you want to deal with?
We're in a public, man. I can't really say exactly. Just understand the code, no? We want to do some business with you.
And that if it's for a long time, man. Go to my office, run yourself.
Alright.
Run yourself.
Alright.
Look kind of heavy to you, know. Choose a seat.
We have a little situation we have to deal with.
Situation.
Yeah. I want to know if we can deal with it for me.
Alright, let me tell you this. Yes, when you talk about situation, you have to explain yourself, because you have to run too much bush and code. And money me deal with, you know. A real money me want. You understand me I say? So for you come also and you talk about business. State a claim.
Yeah, but me can't give you too much information about the situation unless me know say you're serious. So give me a price, name a price, and me can give you more information.
So if I too smarty, you know say 1 million that.
And one somebody me want you deal with.
Yeah, cause 500 means say.
500,000.
Yeah. I don't explain to you already how the thing go.
500,000.
Yeah, I do. You think a club will come?
No,
Huh?
man, me just want.
You think I know interaction thing? Me and my own of my yard, you know, well comfortable, you know, what you talk about? A business me I did, a real money me want. You think you can tell me say, boy, alright, come link me later. And we rub up. Me not depend on that.
Nothing like that, man. Nothing like that.
So bother with that, man.
500,000, you say?
Yeah.
500,000 it is.
Where go on? Are you in pocket?
I'm a strange man I come ask like me name Parker. How are you?
One lady have a little delivery for you. I don't know if you know about special delivery.
For me,
Yeah, man. Well packaged up. Yeah, man. It's a delivery. Can't send back. You know what I mean? Must one, boy.
what you want? I mean them send up forward, man. I mean them power cut, man.
Okay. Mr. Power Cut. What I want?
Yeah, man.
I was see it, man. I wait for you.
Mm.
Let's see how go on.
Yeah, man. Me have a thing to report, you know.
Yeah. Put up what do that. Let's see where we exactly. Because I don't know me at all. You know.
312 to advertise the things thing. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so you know what I'm saying.
Mm.
One man rush me down the road this not too long, you know, Mr. Officer. I have to come reporting. And the man rush me down and fire a shot off of me. I tell you, I have to wheel off and bust two shot.
Wheel off on bus? Bus? What do you mean? Bus what?
Yeah, I miss the point, man. The man shoot off of me, Mr.
Mm.
Officer, want to kill me.
Yeah.
I know, hey, I know how to, you know.
You know who?
Yeah, man.
Who?
One man named Blue Steel, man.
Steel.
Yeah, man, you must know who that man.
Yeah,
You
man,
check
Blue
on the
Steel,
yeah,
man.
man, a Blue Steel.
Eh.
I said, boy, come for kill me. You know what the boy come for me for?
Wow.
They don't know, say. Well, a woman the other day named Juliet. Come and tell everything, you know, you know, so them say when you talk things, them, you know,
Yeah.
you go fix up a deal for me, you see me? That
Right.
yeah.
Right.
So Juliet come link me.
Eh?
Cause she know say I mean done in that thing, you know.
Yeah, the done.
Yeah, man, I mean take out all people, you see.
What you say?
Yeah, man, and give me a work and pay me half of the money in my general. So,
Eh?
yeah, man, they don't know say the one name, one woman name Candy with the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah, they know me go fly her back, man. Yeah, man, I send her home, man, easy.
Are you at the bar?
Simple come and say, man, I do the thing. Yo. But
I'm see that there.
no, man, I watch that, man.
Press the right there somewhere. See man the right there, so you know. Press right there, so.
No, man, I miss the point of the story, man.
Press that right. Here.
I remember me for.
Yeah, man.
I mean,
Just
for.
press it. Hey! Ah. Nice. Eh. So, what you say now? Mr. Blue Steel. Much I kill you.
So, Juliet,
Okay.
send me for do a work, isn't me?
What work? What kind of work?
Send me somebody, man.
Oh, you send people go foreign?
No, man, you know, fly back, you know.
The fly. Okay.
Yeah, man, you know.
Oh,
I
yeah,
give him one room, you know. Yeah.
You do that?
Yeah, man, I made a deal with the one the other day.
Talk about,
No,
man.
man, hold on. Don't show me your thing, man. Watch me, I tell you what I go on. Hold on, I tell you what I go on.
Where's the one?
So,
Eh.
so watch you now, man.
Yeah.
She just send man come for me, man, and I say, what kind of foolishness that? After she send me go on work to go do a it. Obviously, she send it man for come kill me.
Don't kill you.
Me not tell it.
But we have to go for her.
Yeah, man, we have to go for her, man.
Yeah.
Me know which part she dead to, you know, which part you can't find her. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man, me can carry her, go show you which part she live in, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I can gear her up, man. Can watch you know? Me did I watch on the news when they say, oh, you want reward that if you carry in the person way.
Yes.
We set up the thing, isn't it?
Of course.
So, yeah, man, so I want to claim that. And at the same time, like when I give you all of them information, yeah?
Yeah.
You don't know, you just do a little thing for me and give me a little deal, is it?
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
You know, so if I did one 10, you know, you just want 2.
Right.
Can I cooperate?
Yeah.
You
Yeah, cooperate. Yeah, man.
But none of this is not necessary, Mr. Officer. Can I remember, sir?
Yeah, man. We just a check.
A Blue Steel.
Blue Steel.
And the woman, we forgot for.
So, you cut the power on in it. My Blue Steel.
I watch them, they really want the money, you know. That's why that one they go.
You will get the money. You will get more than the money.
No, man. You see, half of the money she give me, you see me, the one.
Only half.
Only half, you see me. But because they really wanted that, that's why I cut the power, you see me.
She scam you know.
Watch out, man. I work out, just work out something with me, sir.
Yeah, man. I have a deal for you, man. Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, man. So, So
So we need to go find Juliet now. So what about that? Inform me, man.
No, man, not say them something, no, man, Mr. Officer, man. A valuable information, me, I'll give the eyes, me.
Okay.
Yeah, man, cause what?
Here one now. See, based on the information you provide, I think you need to talk to your lawyer. So we're going to just keep you in custody.
No, me not gonna way.
And no, man, you're not going away. We're going to give you a call to call a lawyer. Cool?
So, but
Yeah?
I me carry the information. And me
Yes,
I tell you
man.
what, and me open and shut, and me solve the case, Mr. Officer.
And you deserve a reward.
So no, that me a talk about, man.
So that is what you're going to get.
Me not like what that say.
Don't worry yourself, man. The judge going to give you accordingly.
We don't need no judging of this. You know, can't do it. You know, say, good you. So, what, Mr. Watch now. Hold on, sir.
Yeah.
But not this is not necessary.
Mr. Blow, stay. Where you go? Don't move. Long me I look for you. Officer, yes, right. Alright, you are going. Yo, hold on. Yo, me can't get like 100,000 right now. No, boss, no. Here, one. A bounty out here, you know. For me? Yes, man. You're under arrest, man. No. Yes, man. You are going. Oh, man. Yeah, man, we have a good on someone. No, man. And me, man, yo. Talk to your lawyer. I come from Cali. No, come on.
Everything is going to be okay.
I don't think I can manage. No.
You're going to be okay, baby. I'm here for you. Trust me. You're going to be okay. Let's have a seat. My daughter, I understand how you feel right now. I do understand. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry about what happened. I know you loved Candy. I understand that you loved her very much. But I am here for you now. Okay? I am here for you now. And we can go through this together. We can work out something where really where you can get healing, you know? And I'm not going to leave your side. I am here for you now. I'm going to make sure that you come back with me overseas and, you know, work on forming that bond, that relationship that I long for. Everything happened for a reason. Don't worry, my daughter. Everything is going to be okay. Everything happened for a reason.
I'm gonna say one reason somebody would have killed her. Because she nice to everybody. When I say everybody she nice to. One reason.
I know, my daughter. I don't know why these things happen. But everything happened for a reason. You know? And perhaps this is the universe telling us that we should get closer, you know, and become mother and daughter. Everything happened for a reason, my daughter. Don't cry. I'm here for you, baby. I'm here for you. Let us go for a little drive out, you know, and try and relax your brain for a minute. Everything is going to be okay. You'll be fine.
Step out of the vehicle.
Officer, what is this about?
This is a spot check.
You're the same officer that was at the place.
Yes.
Did you find the killer?
Yes, we found the killer. That's fine. Step out of the
What
vehicle,
is this
please.
about? What is this about, sir?
Hands on the vehicle. Hands on the vehicle. You're under arrest.
For what?
You say you find the killer, officer. We know you say you find the killer. I don't understand what you.
What is
Yeah,
this
man,
about?
find the killer, man. You have the right to remain
Explain,
silent.
no?
Anything you say
Explain,
can be
no,
used
Miss
against you in the
Juliet.
court of
What
law.
man do?
You have a
Are
right to an
you?
attorney. If you do not have
Are
one,
you
one will be
killer,
appointed
mother?
to you.
Officer, answer me. You just a walk
Yes,
with
yes,
your
we're going to the
flashing.
station.
Miss Juliet.
Venice.
Auntie, me can't talk. Like, I'm so stressed out to the point where I feel like I feel like my body has shut down, auntie. Me can't go no more. I feel me I'm mad out, like, me not so strong. Me just, me can't do it. Me can't do it. Me not have nobody left.
You have
Nobody
me.
me not
You
have
have
left.
me. You
Me
have
not have nobody.
Girl.
Nobody.
Lexi.
Auntie.
Lexi. Lexi. Lexi, you have me. You have me, Lexi. Look here, me never know. You see your mother? Me never know say she so cruel. Me know say she have a tough piece of heart. But honestly to God, me never know say she should lose it. To the point where she commit murder. Look here. Look at me now, I'm talking to you, just look at me. Me know your next mother dead. And your father dead. And she gone to prison.
So what that say? Me not have nobody. You know, see, auntie.
You have me. You hear me, sir?
Right now, I'm afraid we all get close to you, know. Everybody get close to me dead. I don't know if I'm me are the issue. Me can't tell.
I bind up the spirit of death in the mighty name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I shall live and I shall not die. Thus said the Lord God Almighty. You hear me, I tell you? You have to be strong. You have to be strong. And if I am telling you that I am going to be here for you, I am going to be here for you to the end. Because we can't change back the hands of time. There's no way we can change back the hands of time. No way at all. You hear me? And nothing is not wrong with you. Nothing at all. I never know so my sister did full of so much jealousy. That's a lead her to killing. You understand? So don't worry yourself. I will be here for you. I can't be your mother. There's no way I can tell you say I will be your mother because I can't be your mother because I am not your mother. I am your aunt, and anything at all you need, look here. Don't afraid to ask me. And don't stress out yourself. I can't tell you not to cry now. Cry if you have to cry. Because tears is a language that God understands. But you have to be strong. You have to be strong, Lexi. Because it is what it is. Just look, and just, I am not telling you anything that is wrong or I'm telling you a lie. Because Candy already dead. Your father dead. 100 tears cannot bring them back. Your mother gone to prison. You not even did know her. She not even give you a chance to let you know her. You understand? So you have to be strong and try to break the curse. Because the same way how your biological mother used to treat her mother, which is my mother, are the same way she feel like you did treat her. You understand? Because she upset because you don't give her no gift for Mother's Day. So you have to be strong. You understand, Lexi? And fight the fight because the devil is a liar.
Auntie, ever since everything happened, you know, you're dead for me, you know. Not tell no lie. I'ma just appreciate the love way you show me so far.
You make me feel emotional now, Lexi. Please, me I tell you no cry. Because
I'm
not
trying to
full.
go up. I appreciate you, I
Hush.
swear. But just glad you're there for me.
Welcome to Infinity Dream Entertainment Complex Bar and Grill. We are located just below the primary school on the Petersfield Main Road. We offer services such as events, such as birthday parties, baby showers, weddings, etc. We have an upper deck on property, also a bar, along with the restaurant and a playground. We are open from Sundays to Sundays. You can feel free to visit at any time and enjoy our festivities.
Want to see the shirt already, right? Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use say make the capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40 you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. Same Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right.
Hey guys, this is your girl Lexi as always. So, I'm gonna introduce you to my YouTube channel for all who haven't heard about it. No. So, I want y'all to head over to my YouTube channel. So, that's ZAYNOGRHY. Zeno Gray. Again, ZAYNOGRHY. For my TikTok account now, it's Actress Lexi. So, Actress with an asterisk and then Lexi, LEXCI. Okay, so I want to run go over to my TikTok and just follow me and over to my YouTube, like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. When I like good music, I do good music. So tune in to me because I do have a few new music coming out, okay? Peace and love.